They say no be small matter. IJELE and Ikenga Oruagu. As IJELE don't come outside though, come talk say Ikenga Oruagu they deny him boys. No be small thing. As they talk that one, they say Asare Dokubo don't go sleep for inside Facebook live stream. As that one they happen, they say the Simon Ekpa will be Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. Don't come outside. Come talk say those people wey Nigeria police the parade say they capture, say those people na people wey dey another person recruited, say e no know anything concern am yeah my people, we go find out how this thing take happen hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Here we dey bring you back to back update as e dey happen, as e dey hot let's quickly jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. They say Ikenga and IJELE no be small matter IJELE don come outside with the video of those people wey Nigeria police dey allege say they be ESN. IJELE don come outside come blast Ikenga Oruagu, tell am say why you go talk say those people no be ESN. Say they be ESN. As that one they happen, now people come follow for the comment to come tell IJELE say why you go talk like that, say those people where they parade in the no be ESN. Say now so Nigeria police they do. However, mo play the video of waiting this IJELE talk more na see waiting this IJELE talk and before we go come back, come proceed.
Hello, yeah, my people. There's no audio in the video you are just watching, but yeah, check the page, you see the photos. And Ikenga Oruagu, what the hell are you saying? What are you saying? First off, I want to condole with you on the passing of your mother. And say, at the fight waiting go happen to you, me say, I no go condole with you when something happen. At least your mother is innocent. I had no day for the nonsense way you did. You are saying even if you hate a group, you shouldn't lie against them. That thing, is it a confession? Because this is what two people have been doing to those people you don't like, ostensibly for exposing the hyper BSM fraud. And now you are trying to pin it on me. How is that not what do you call it? I'm looking for the right word for the projection. You are projecting your bad attitude towards. Have I posted anything about ESN that is false? Look at their materials, even their fake juju, everything. Say, oh, even women did that. Yes. Didn't you people see the last parade they did? You didn't see the women there? You didn't? You know, I honestly don't understand how people think. But the evidence is there. The evidences are abound. Okay, res ipsa loquitur. I think that's the Latin word for it. The fact speaks for itself. They are there. The people are not even denying it. So why are you denying it on their behalf? You didn't talk about the ones at Mbise because those ones are in the autopilot. Oh, it's good for you to expose them. Those ones are the known gunmen, but your own. Like I said it before, this is here like people now, not be the same group we go by double line, which means now the DOS side. And you are there denying it. Anyway, any bingo that is still listening to you people deserves every brainwash he or she is getting. And you don't need to be a rocket scientist to see the wood from the tree. So make of it what you would. If you want to keep believing their BS, it's up to you, but they are there. They are in Anambra State. They are locked up now. So everything about them is there because they are heading to their Umunze camp. All right. So anyone that still wants to believe Umo Koko, believe them and go on. Even when they buy Iko, so they denied him until we brought in his photo with Usain Bolt. Then they started shouting that they go use 2,000 EC, take better, use and raise money, finish where they no give the family cup. You understand? So guys, that's it.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that thing where IJELE they talk for that place, so he and the Ikenga Rago no be small matter. Oh, yeah, my people, I want me on a chuku na mat put for this matter because this one it tire us. As that one they happen, let's quickly jump into this particular news. So they say that Asari Dokubo he said the man. Better he don't tire. Tinubu don't tire am. Tinubu don't give am boss high. As Tinubu don't give am the boss high. Now he come outside for live stream. Asari Dokubo come dey sleep like they know that time wey pig go dey chop, they go dey do wah. Let's watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
For those who have been able to see the night, but those who want to remain perpetually blind, as they will real life.
No be small matter, my people. That one shock me. Wetin who give Asari Dokubo food wey him chop o? Una remember say last time he go insult Oba Benin say why him go put mouth for wetin no concern am. He say Lagos no be Benin people find Lagos, so na insult Oba finish. Na people come dey write for comment section. They say this one wey you don talk now, he say they go make you sleep anytime wey you come outside for live stream. Whether na the sleep come be this, we no go know. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the next news wey we get for our hand today. They say that the PM wey be Ekpa Biafra government in exile don come outside. They come talk say those people wey they capture say no be men, say those one na people wey another person recruit for inside the matter. We go play you one audio when talk put say na those people na recruit them, say no be their men. Let's listen to the audio before we come back and proceed.
Who is this guy? Who is this guy talking? And which camp on ya? Kedu onye di ha? Kedu camp on ya? Kedu camp ha si pụta? Kedu ebe ọ nọ? Kedu ebe ha nọ kịta? Kedu ebe ha na-aga? Ọ na-ajụ gị kpọrọ ya ọ na-esend gị voice. Kọwagoro ya Dikema. Dikema is a criminal. Ọ bụ na ọ chọrọ use ha as kidnappers and whatever they are doing, they will die in Biafra land even before they finish their training. So forward this audio to him, whoever he is. Onye ọbụla that we see in Odinkema camp, even a GMA training, the kidnappers, they will die before they finish their training. This audio, send somebody call my attention to what was going on. So me had this audio. Forward, I only had this audio. Now anybody that is planning to betray this struggle, no yaga move before you finish the training. Oh yeah, the high enough. And your prophecy has been fulfilled. Both the response,
yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, as you don't hear am where they come aside from Simon Ekpa. He said this audio wey him do right now, come send am right now. He said the audio na audio wey he don send for person. I know say we dey listen, we hear the person wey talk, wetin go talk, so that we go know. But he say na him send am give person. However, no don hear am from Simon Ekpa mad. He say those people na people wey waka go another camp go dey trend, say he no know anything about those people. And as he don hear am now, say Ikenga don blast IJELE don blast Ikenga over e-commerce side. Ikenga still come say he no know those people. That means those people wey those police carry na innocent Biafras wey no know anything, or innocent Igbo youth wey no know anything for Imo State. So my people, abeg una put mouth for this matter, because this matter get as e come be. They no be ESN, they no be Biafra Liberation Army, they no dey under Simon, they no dey under US. Then who are those people wey they come carry? May everybody go check their brother, so wey dey do business or wey dey waka for their own. Na so e dey for our own mat o. No be small thing. Yeah, my people, abeg make you try to share this video and leave your own opinion for inside comment section. Make we know wetin dey go on. Okay, now we go see you for the next update as e dey hot. Stay tuned.